Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you all an app that is going to replace Terrarium TV. Basically, we all know Terrarium TV is no longer working. It's shut down. The developer basically is hanging it up on working on Terrarium TV and is on to other projects. So I'm going to show you guys another app that works just the same as Terrarium TV. Please subscribe to this website, share this video and like it, as well as go to my website, which is www.truesourceinfo.com. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this app. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the left of the screen to the magnifying glass and go to Downloader. You type in Downloader. And as you see at the bottom, it automatically fills in the words for you. So we're going to go to Downloader. Alright, next thing we're going to do is select the app. Okay, since I own it, now it's going to download so it can be owned. If you got an Amazon account, basically this will come up. If you already got Downloader, it'll open up as soon as possible for you. Here we go, we open it. Okay, they're gonna talk about updates and things. Hit the OK button. Move the cursor to your left and go down to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you're gonna check the box Enable JavaScript. You're gonna ask you, do you want to enable it? Click Yes. Next thing you do is go to Home. It already got the HTTP : and what you're gonna do is type BobbyHD.com, which is BOBBYHD.com. BOBBYHD.com. Okay, going to click OK. Screen is going to load up. The next step we're going to do is go down. It takes about a minute for the screen to load up. So we're going to go down and we're going to choose what it says 224 Android for Android. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this one right here, the app to your left. It's loading up. And remember that this app is no charge, no cost, no codes or anything to put in there. It's just another app that works and you can watch everything since Terrarium is no longer available. You can go down, go to Install. And as you wait for the app to install, I want to say also go check out my other videos that I have. Some about screen mirroring for your Fire Stick, as well as other videos that basically help you guys with technology and little fun tricks and things like that that can make your work easier and get access to everything for free. Alright, now since the app installed, we're going to go to Open. And here you go. We got some movies. So I'm going to go down to, let's just choose Avengers. And then what we're going to do is go to Play. Now what this does is it loads up all the quality links that's there. You'll start off with probably 480p, then 720, then 1080p. It'll take about literally a minute for these to load up on the screen, and once it loads up, only thing you have to do is select it and press play. So here's the 720 for it, and then 1080p usually come, like I say, about takes a minute for this to load for that. Of course, I won't be able to play the actual video of the movie because of copyright, but this is pretty much the gist of what you will get with this app, and it works all one and the same. The next thing I want to do is show you another feature that this have, which works the same as Terrarium TV, and that's give you the access to basically watch a TV show. You move the cursor up to the left. As you see to the right, you got the magnifying glass. That's when you want to search for a certain movie. Move it over to the left, and then you choose, go down to TV shows, and then they give you the list of TV shows. All right, I hope this helps you guys. Again, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Oh, and one more thing too. So when you're done downloading this app, be sure to hit your home button so you can be able to find this app. So you're going to go down to what? Go down to your apps and channels. Go all the way to the right of your screen. Go to see all. And basically you can go down to where you might find Bobby HD app, which is usually the last one. You're going to press the 3 lines where it says options and hit move to the front. Now it's to the front, and then if I open it up, it will play. And if I go back to my home screen, there you go. All right, you guys, again, like, subscribe, share. Go to the link at the bottom at truesourceinfo.com, and have a nice day.